Hardware to aisle 13 for customer assistance, please. Hardware to aisle 13 for customer assistance.
The next great project starts in your cart. Be sure to use the right cart for your purchases. Lumber or sheet goods should be placed on a lumber cart. Heavy or bulky items like tile should be placed on a flat cart. And remember, if you can't reach a product or if it's too heavy...
Yeah. Behind you? Behind the carts.
I was gonna buy something.
Huh?
Now, like, we've caught a couple people that trespass and make videos and stuff, and we already got, like, okay from our corporate team to...
All right, yeah, no worries. We'll be out of here. Thank you.
All right. I still gotta make that.
Yeah, no worries. It's just water, so you can call them. Yeah. Yeah, no worries. Thank you.